Dear all, for a person born in Gemini as the ascendant, the 10th house from the ascendant is Pisces. The Lord of the 10th house, Pisces, is the Jupiter. If the Lord of the 10th house, the Pisces, the Jupiter, is in the 6th house from the ascendant Gemini, it gives to the person debt burden and mental distress. Gemini, the ascendant, 10th house, the Pisces, Lord, the Jupiter, if it is in the 6th house, debt burden and mental distress.